Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's free advertising for you review video, we're going to have a look in the back office of free advertising for you. I've just joined this free platform to drive some more traffic to my affiliate offers, and we're going to have a look today at how to succeed with free advertise for you. We're going to call it FAFY, and that's what they call it for short. So what we've got today are several little steps. What I like about it is it's a system, and when people have got a system to follow step by step, then everything becomes a lot easier, especially if you're a beginner. Then you can follow these very simple steps. And before we do that, I want to say that it's free to join, and there will be a link in the description for you to join FAFY. It includes buyers, so if you've already got something to promote, then it's great for promoting affiliate marketing, MLM, crypto, software, tools, blogs, anything you want to promote online is great for FAFY. You can even earn dollars as a free member. They give cash prizes. That's one thing I like about it. And also will be your one-to-one mentor as well if you decide you want to join through my link in the description. And because I'll be using the site on a regular basis, probably most days, and I can help you if you get stuck with that. So they do video training as well. So what is step one? We're going to go through these steps. Step one is, first of all, is to get you free advertising. And what they do is they give you over $50 in free ads, and they give you a choice. So all you do is you have a promo code, either welcome 1 or welcome 2, and you get a choice of these two different advertising packages. So if you don't like solo ads, then you have package 1, and if you want one with a solo ad, then you can do package 2. So very straightforward. And again, what I like about it, Jason Wise, the owner, he puts together video tutorials within this back office, how to redeem your promo code, and he does video tutorials on really how to use a site properly and most effectively for you to be successful. Step 2, he teaches you how to earn credits and qualify for the drawings. So they do weekly drawings and bi-monthly drawings where you can win. You can win advertising. So again, this is more traffic for you to your offers. So we've got daily contests over here. Oops, scrolling down a bit there. We've got daily contests. We've got weekly contests, and I think we also have, yes, we do. We have bi-monthly contests and monthly. So lots of different contests, lots of chance again to win prizes. There's cash prizes, there's traffic prizes. So it becomes more of a viral, if you're active within the system, it becomes more of a viral advertising platform. So a video tutorial here on how to set up your ads. So if you're a bit unsure, if you haven't used this sort of platform before, Jason does a nice short little video here, just 2 minutes long, of how to set up your ads to make sure that everything's working correctly before you start promoting. What I like about this as well is you can upgrade to the Pro for free. So a lot of other sites, traffic sites, you've got to actually pay either a one-off payment or a monthly payment to upgrade to Pro, and then the lots of benefits which it gives you here for upgrading for Pro. Even look here, eligible to receive random referrals. So you're rewarded for being active. That's the main thing about free advertising for you. The more you use it, the more traffic you get, the more leads and sales you're going to get. Step 5 is how to join the exclusive 1K club, again for free. So he tells you all about how to do that step by step, and he gives you a little chart here that shows you the differences between the different levels of free and pro and gold and diamond and VIP. So that's the next step. And all you do is, there's no rush to do this. You just do this in little increments, little steps, step by step. Just take your time and follow these steps. And the more you use the site, the more you become familiar with it. So step number 6, update your downline builder. So there's several programs here where you can earn more traffic, more credits, and also more affiliate commissions, even as a free member with a downline builder. If you're not familiar with the downline builder, then these are generally other traffic programs which generate you more traffic to your offers and also get you more income. So the downline builder has got fixed programs in there. If you're already a member, you just put your affiliate link in there. And if you're not a member of those, just sign up for free and then go back into the downline builder and put your affiliate links in there. So he's helping you get more traffic, more leads, and more sales. Jason Wise, who is the owner. Update your profile links. So you've got a page which gives you 5 links of your top programs that you're personally promoting. If you haven't got 5, then give me an email and I can recommend 5 free ones that I personally use that are earning leads and sales. So you can or you can just spend your time having a look at what's been promoted in FAFY and choose 5 there. Step number 8 is how to promote your FAFY affiliate link. So what he says here is that there's got over 15 splash pages for you to promote. So they've got all the getting the cursor a bit mixed up today. So they've got all the affiliate tools that you need to promote FAFY. I'll be doing more reviews on these. It's just a basic overview today. Step 9, I really like this. If you're willing to sign up for Jason Wise, the owner's newsletter, you're going to get $250 of free advertising. And he also does training within this newsletter. It's just, he's not going to bombard you with emails. He just sends it out occasionally with some more promo codes for traffic and some little tips and trainings, training tips. So he's really here to help you become successful, the owner, Jason Wise. That's what I really like about he's an affiliate marketer himself. He's here to make money online and he knows exactly how to do it, and he teaches you all the little tips and tricks and techniques within this site. So if you've enjoyed the video, then please give me a big blue thumbs up and a big like. That will help support me on my YouTube journey. I'd appreciate that. And it will also help other people see free advertising for you and help them on their advertising journey. And also, if you want to see some more Make Money Online videos, click subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. I've now done over 270 videos on tools, traffic, training, marketing systems, social media, list building, free and paid for a majority of subjects. So, and I've also put everything categorize it into playlists for you. So if you like playlists, go onto the channel, and I will be doing a playlist for free advertising for you, and that will be pinned to the top comment below this video when I start to get more than one video to put into a playlist. If you've got any questions at all on free advertising for you, or any questions on making money online, please leave those in the comments below. And thank you for taking the time today to watch this video. And then I look forward to seeing you very much on the next video. Thanks a lot for watching, and bye for now.